Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today I'm going to do a little creative journaling using our brand new Something About Sunflowers deco kit. So stay tuned. Okay friends, so today we are just going to do a little creative journaling. One of the things that I like to do in my journal, especially at the beginning of the month, is just decorate a whole page using one of our deco kits. It's kind of like the turn of the page into a new month, and I've been doing this for quite some time now, and I just really enjoy the process. So let's dig out this kit. Now this is the deco only kit. Last week I shared the entire kit that came with some added extras, but this is just the paper portion of the kit. So this has the die cuts and the wooden buttons, cute little coaster. I've got my journal card here and a couple of other fun little things. So we've got some papers. They have beautiful sunflowers on them. Aren't they adorable? So I'm just gonna pick one of these, and I think I'm actually gonna pick the black and white one. I do also have some yellow cardstock over here in case I decide that I want to use that as well. But the first thing I'm gonna do is cut this kind of to size. So I'm going to first do that small cut so that I have the length that I need, and then I'll come back up and cut the other side so that I have the width that I need. And I am going to be doing a little bit of ripping on this, so there's a good chance that I want some of that bright yellow shining through. So I'm actually going to cut this a little bit smaller than what I would actually need. And that way I'll be able to add some yellow into it. But we're going to go ahead and rip this first. Just kind of see where this takes us. Just kind of like haphazardly ripping that away. Oh, that's going to be pretty. And then I'm going to put the yellow in here, and I'm also going to put a yellow frame around here. So let me grab this yellow cardstock. And first thing I'm going to do is do a little cut because I do think I need it to cover the whole page. So let's go ahead and do that correctly. All my scraps are going over here in a little pile because I know that I am going to need them. And I think, kind of eyeballing this, I'm pretty sure that will be more than enough. So let me just set this over here for 1 second, make sure that it indeed is enough, and it will be because I can slide that part over. Perfect. So that's what it's going to look like. Oh, that's going to be so cool. Now I could turn it upside down the other way if I wanted to, but I want to put my card here. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking maybe it needs a different color and not the yellow. So let me grab my bag of colors and let's see if I have something. I do have a black one. Maybe the black would look really pretty. All right, so let's go ahead. We are going to put this down. So let's go ahead and put some adhesive on here first. I like having a page that isn't dedicated necessarily to journaling, but just creativity, especially when I am getting ready to start a new month. I just think that it's a fun thing to have, kind of like has that separation of, okay, we're going into a new month. And this is actually the page that I will be journaling on for March 31st for Easter. I haven't done that yet, so I am doing this page first. And then I will sit down and do that one. All right. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. I'm so excited for this. I love this sunflower paper. It's just so nice. So very pretty. All right, let's go ahead and put this down. I'll use my corner rounder for the corners on this one once we get it on the page. And I am actually almost at the end of this journal. I don't know about you guys, but I get really excited when I'm at the end of a journal because it means I get to start a new one, and I don't have much longer. So probably sometime in April, I will be starting a new one, which I am very excited about. Okay, I think I've got that lined up fairly well. I might have to trim a little bit there. Ooh, I did not measure that part. Okay, so we're gonna put our card up there. See, that's what happens sometimes, and I'm okay with that. Let's use our corner rounder and get our corners over here. All right. That is a-okay, actually, because now that I'm using the black on there instead, that'll look really pretty right there. So you won't even know that I misjudged. That's what happens when you don't measure, and I never measure. So sometimes they're happy accidents. Sometimes I have to go back and fix them a little bit. But either way, I'm going to be really happy with how this comes out. I already know. Because who can go wrong with this beautiful sunflower paper? All right, let's go ahead and cut this one. And let's do another cut right here. Save those scraps. Oh, yep, that is gonna be perfect. Now I could do another little die cut right there, but I feel like, honestly, because that sunflower's right there, I feel like that might be all it needs, but I'm gonna take a look at this sticker sheet too, just to see if I do wanna add anything. But like I said, honestly, I think that I'm just gonna be really, really happy with the way that this turns out like this. So let's see, I don't think there needs to be anything else on here. I mean, I could put the little banner like somewhere in here or something like that, but to be honest, I am really happy the way this turned out just like this. I like the simplicity of it, but I do like the fact that March 31st will be here, and then this kind of designates, okay, we're going into a brand new month. I hope that you like this little creative journaling. I'm gonna share the link to the sunflower kit below in case you're interested in checking it out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this out with somebody that may enjoy this video also. Have a great week, everybody.